This is the new Nokia 6, the second generation phone of this name from HMD, bracket Nokia phones, and it's building on the success of last year's mid-range, mid-priced handset with a premium look and feel. Again, it's got a nice anodized aluminium metal body which makes it feel nice and secure and premium in the hand. The back is still a little plasticky, remind you that this isn't a top tier flagship, but it has been improved in other ways. The rear facing camera is now tuned by Zeiss optics, which should make it a better snapper in all situations, but something we'll test out in our full review. And it's also got more power under the hood. This phone packs the Snapdragon 660 chipset, which shows an 80% performance improvement over the original Nokia 6, so it should be a tidy little performer. It runs Android 8 Oreo and it's part of the Android One program, which means you will get the next two dessert-based updates from Google, as well as 3 years security updates as well, so it's got a nice bit of longevity support. In terms of when you'll be able to get your hands on the new Nokia 6, it will release around the world in April 2018 for around €279 depending on your location and any import taxes and fees. For all the detail on this phone and all the phones Nokia has launched at MWC, check out techradar.com, where we've been hands-on with all of them, with all the specs, all the features and what we make of them.